Afternoon, everyone. So, today's class will be going to discuss hexadecimal to decimal numbers. Okay. So, let us do one sum so that it becomes very clear to all of you. Okay. So, the sum is one hexadecimal to decimal. So, our question is A3B base will be 16. Base 16 question mark base 10. Okay, so let us do the sum now. A3B, A3B, okay. A3B. So what will you get? A we know. First you mark the powers. Okay, first you mark the powers from right side. So 0, 1, 2. So now what we are going to do? So we know that A value is 10. We know that A value is 10. So right, how we know that A value is 10? So in hexadecimal, A equal to 10, B equal to 11. So this will be capital. B equal to 11, C equal to 12, D equal to 13, D equal to 13, then E equal to 14, and F equal to 15. Okay. So now we have to do A means 10. So right here 10, 10 cross 10 into since we are doing a since A3B is a hexadecimal number, so we will give here 16. Hexa base is 16, that's why 16. A power, what is the power of A2? So 16 to the power 2 we will give. Okay. 16 to the power 2 we will give. So 16 to the power 2, then plus 3, because here 3 is there, so 3 just a minute. 3 into 16 to the power, since 3 above power is 1, so 16 to the power 1, then again plus, what is there? B means we know 11, B means 11, so 11 into 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 0. Okay, so now we have to do the calculation. So let us do the calculation. Equal to 10 into 16 square. Okay, 16 square is 256. 16 square we know 256. So 256 into 10 will be 2560. Then plus 13 into 16. 16 3 is 1, 48. So 48, then plus 11 into 16 to the power 0. That means 16 to the power 0 is 1. So 11 into 1 will be 11. So when we uh, add this, we will get 2619. Okay. See here, what is given? A hexadecimal number is given. So this is our final answer. And here base will be what? Here base will be 10. Since we are converting it to a decimal number, so base will be 10. Okay. See here one thing. What number is given? A3B. A3B base 16 to base 10 means hexadecimal to decimal number. A we know. First what we will do? First we will mark the powers. Okay. First we will mark the powers like 0, 1, 2. Okay. First we will mark the powers 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then what we will be doing? 10 A. Then what we will do? We will see what does the value of A in hexa. A value 10. 10 into 16 square plus 3 into 16 to the power 1, then 11 into 16 to the power 0. Then you do the calculation and you will get the answer. Okay, so now let us do another example. So let us do another example. Where is the rubber? Let me erase it. Okay. Similarly, we will do 2F, 2F, sorry, 2F3, okay, 2F3, base will be 16, base will be 16, question mark, base will be what? Base will be your 10. Okay, hexadecimal number is given, we need to convert it to base 10. We need to convert it to base 10 means we need to convert it to decimal number. This is our question. Okay, this is our question. This is our question. So now let us solve the answer. So first what you will do, you will mark the powers. Okay, you will mark the powers. So let us just first mark the powers. 2F3, 2F3. Okay, now you mark the powers. Just a minute, write it down a little bit. Now mark the powers here. So if we give, so now first we will mark the powers. We will mark the powers. We will mark the powers from right side, so it will be 0. It will be 0. So let us, it will, okay, let it be. It will be 0, it will be 1, and it will be 1, it will be 2. Okay. Sorry, these are our powers. So now we will do the sum. So what we will get? So now 2 into 16 to the power, okay, 16 to the power 1, 2. Since 2 power is since here in the question 2 power is given 2, so like this we get, then plus 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 f means 15, so 15 into 16, 15 into 16 to the power 1. Okay, then again plus 3 into 16, 3 into 16 to the power 0. Now let us do the calculation here. 12, 2 into 6, 2, 16 square is 256. 256, 16 square is 256. 256 into 2, we will get 512. Okay, then plus 16 to the power 1 is 16. 15 into 16, we get 240. Then plus 16 to the power 0 is 1. 3 into 1 will be 3. When we add all this, 512 plus 240 plus 3, we will get 755. Okay, and here the base will be 10, since we have converted hexadecimal number to a decimal number. Okay, so here is the base 10. Okay, so this is our final answer. If you have not understood, then please pause the video and check it again. Okay, so now we will do another sum, that is hexadecimal to binary. Now we will convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number. Let me erase the drawings, clear all my drawings. Okay, now let me now we will convert hexadecimal, convert hexadecimal, convert hexadecimal to binary. Convert hexadecimal to binary. Here everyone make a note that here everyone make a note. This is going to be helpful. Note, says hexadecimal is 16, 16, and we know 16 is 2 to the power 4, and 16 is 2 to the power 4, comma, so we need 4 bits. Okay, now question mark. Now let us convert 2d5, sorry, 2d5 base is 16. 2d5 base what? 16. Okay, 2d5 base 16, then 2 question mark, sorry, question mark, sorry, question mark, where is the question mark? Not question mark base what? Binary, no, base 2. Okay, so let us solve this sum. Okay, so let us solve this sum. Here we have to convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number. So our hexadecimal number is 2d5. So this is little bit different way, little bit different from others. So let us check it out. Okay, so 2d5 equal to, so write uh, 2, then give some space, write d, then give some space, and write 5. Wait. D5, write it here. Okay, 2d5. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to write the binary of 2. We need to write the binary of 2. Binary of 2 is what? 1, 0. Then, right. Then write the binary of D. D is what? 13. 13 binary is 1101. Okay. Then now write the binary of 5. 5 binary is 101. But what we have written here, see, we need 4 bit. We need 4. We have to make 4. Every bit we need to make 4. So let us add here 0 and let us add 2 zeros here to make it a 4 bit. Okay. Now it's every 2d5 we have convert to a binary number and we have make it 4 bit. Now what we have to do, we have to combinely write these numbers. Now you have to combinely write these numbers to get the final answer in binary form. So let us now write these answers. 0, sorry, 0010, then 1101, then 0101. Okay, then our base will be 1, base will be 2. So this is our answer. This is our, so this is our